Welcome back to Funnels and Flow. Last module, we got into engaging leads with email marketing, how to write emails that actually get opened, automated workflows that save you time, and tracking email performance. But I want you to focus on looking at the data. If you're out here sending emails, running ads, and posting content without tracking results, you're just hoping for the best, and hope is not a strategy. That's why today we're talking about HubSpot Analytics, the tool that's going to help you see what's working, fix what's not, and make smarter marketing decisions. Let's get into it. Marketing is not a set it and forget it game. It's a cycle. You launch a campaign, track the data, adjust what's not working, and keep pushing forward. If you're not doing that, you're wasting time and valuable resources. HubSpot Analytics lays it all out for you. Website traffic, lead conversions, email engagement, social media performance, it's all there. No guessing, no assumptions, just real data that tells you exactly what's driving results. And the best part, it's easy to use. You don't need to be some data scientist to figure this out. HubSpot gives you dashboards, reports, and clear insights so you can make decisions with confidence. I know HubSpot tracks a ton of numbers, but you don't need to dive deep into all of them. Let's focus on the ones that actually help you optimize and grow. First up, website traffic and engagement. This tells you how many people are visiting your site, and more importantly, if they're sticking around. Are people actually coming to your site? Check your visitors. Are they bouncing as soon as they land? That's your bounce rate. Are they spending time on key pages? If not, you might need to rethink your content. Next, lead generation and conversions. Because traffic is cute, but if visitors aren't converting, what's the point? How many people are submitting forms? Are your landing pages actually working? Now let's dig into email performance. If you've been following along, you already know email is one of the best ways to nurture and convert leads, but only if people are actually engaging with your emails. So look at open rates. Are your subject lines catching attention or are they getting ignored? Your click-through rates, are people actually clicking through links or just skimming and deleting? Also keep an eye on your conversion rates. Are those clicks leading to actual signups, purchases, or demo requests? And then of course there's social media and content engagement, because we're not just creating content for fun, it needs to drive traffic and leads. What social channels are bringing in the most traffic? What types of posts are getting clicks and shares? What content is actually converting and moving people down the funnel? And how are you going to turn these insights into action? Data is only useful if you actually do something with it. Here's how you can take these insights and make real improvements. If your website traffic is solid, but conversions are low, your landing page needs work. Maybe your CTA isn't strong enough. Maybe the offer isn't clear. Test and tweak. If your email open rates are weak, your subject lines need help. If your click-through rates are struggling, your email content may be too long, or CTA isn't clear enough. If your social engagement is dropping, take a step back. What type of content worked before? What changed? Adjust your strategy and just keep testing. Marketing is a huge feedback loop. The best marketers aren't just running campaigns, they're analyzing, tweaking, and optimizing every step of the way. HubSpot Analytics is your key to smarter marketing. It tells you what's working, what's not, and where to adjust. So here's what I want you to do next. Log into HubSpot Analytics, check your website traffic, email reports, and lead conversions, and find one thing to improve, just one. And if you need a step-by-step breakdown, grab my HubSpot Analytics cheat sheet below. That's it for today's lesson. Keep analyzing, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next one.